It's like the color of the gingerbread man. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something so cool and so awesome. I am obsessed with Christmas. I'm obsessed with the holidays. You guys already know this. And today we are going to be unboxing the Essence Advent Calendar. Here is the calendar. It is huge. It is German Christmas market themed. And for anyone who didn't know, Essence is actually a German brand. And this is the Ho Ho Home for Christmas Advent Calendar for 2020. So let's get started. It opens like this. It is huge. It is so amazing. I bought it on Take-A-Lot for $4.99. They were on special this week for $4.49, so that might be a Black Friday special. But let's open door number 1. I think this might be a blush, maybe. Oh my word, look how sweet this is. It is the Essence Mini Matte Fixing Powder. I actually do have one of these, and this powder is awesome. It's a neutral color, so it suits any skin tone. It is amazing, and it's got this beautiful festive design, which I'm so excited about. This is my first beauty advent calendar. Last year I watched a lot of YouTubers complain that the Essence advent calendar had a lot of nail polishes, and at the time I wasn't really into their nail polishes, but recently I am. I mean, this is Essence nail polish, and that is because their formula has changed, so for me it's improved. But let's go to door number 2 here. I think this might be a nail polish. It is a Essence mini lipsticks. Oh my word, this box is so cute. In South Africa we don't get the minis, so this is so cute. Got the mini lipstick in Spread the Love and also in Feel the Magic, which is so cute. Let me swatch that for you so you can see. Is a beautiful color, also a beautiful color. You can even wear both of these if you do like an ombre on your lips. Door number 3 is here. So each of the doors also have a little message I see, which I haven't been reading, but collect moments and lipsticks, shape it till you make it. This is the mini tweezer. Oh, how cute is this? And it's so small, look, it's the size of my thumb. And it's got this beautiful little penguin design on it. It says, get perfectly shaped eyebrows with this super cute mini eyebrow tweezer. Oh, there's a tip on here. Tip, tweeze in the direction of hair growth to avoid breakage. Okay, very cute, so cute. This is so cute to keep in your handbag. Number 4 is over here. This is, today is a good day to write your own fairy nails. And these are beautiful little mini nail stickers, all in like a Christmas theme, which is just absolutely so cute. I love nail stickers. Number 5. Oh my word, this is such a big door. This is probably a makeup brush. These are 8 gift tags. How cute. And then you put a little string through there, and then you write a little note on the back saying to or from. Door number 6 is up here. This has to be a makeup brush. I love that sound. It is! It's a makeup brush. Okay, so this is the Essence eyeshadow brush in this beautiful candy cane design, which is just stunning. I love the fact that there's this beautiful design on these special editions for the advent calendar. Number 7. There's some little doors in these doors as well. Number 7 is here in the tree. This one is the tree. What is this? Kajal eyebrow pencil in black. Just watch this. Oh, beautiful. It's nice and creamy. These are so popular. Number 8 is here. You can just feel that this is German design. I mean, listen to this. Oh, what is this? Nourishing hand cream. So this is really nice actually because of all the sanitizing we've been doing these days, because of you know what. This is really cool, and it's got this beautiful swan on it, which is just so pretty. Number 9 here. Maybe a nail polish. Oh, I was right, a nail polish, and I just broke my box. I'm so sad. Oh my word, this is adorable. This is a mini nail polish. Like I said, in South Africa we don't really get the minis, so this is really cute and such a beautiful color. It's like the color of the gingerbread man. Number 10 is here. Oh, this is a long one. What could this be? This is a full-size mascara. I was actually thinking before I started filming this that I actually need a new mascara. I mean, these are normally around 70 Rand. It's also got a really nice spoolie for really nice big lashes, which I love. Number 11 is here. Listen to that German box. Oh, how sweet! Bracelet. If you don't want it, it's a nice stocking filler for someone really cute and small. Number 12 is over here. Maybe another nail polish. Oh no, what is this? The Essence Color Changing Lip Balm with vitamin E. That's really nice. I saw door number 13 over here. I don't know what this could be. Maybe body stickers, body tattoos. And these are face jewels. Oh, I love face jewels, guys. Oh my word. Number 14 is... yeah. Oh my word, the Essence sharpener, duo sharpener. So number 15 is over here. And this is another nail polish, another mini high gloss top coat. In another festive design. I actually needed a top coat as well, so I'm really glad that I got this because there is no top coat on this current paint. Number 16 is over here. It's quite a big one. Oh wow! Happy brow days! This is the eyebrow styler. Oh. Okay, it opens like this, and then 3 different eyebrow stencils. These are really sweet, and also with that penguin design on it. And then obviously the 2 eyebrow powders and a brush. Number 17 is over here. Okay. Oh, these are really sweet little hair ties. I mean, I don't really use these hair ties, but someone can. And also, I've seen some people use these as bracelets. If you were to give a little girl these 2 as a gift, then I'm sure they would be very cute and happy with that. Number 18 is here. Oh, wow. This is the Essence Glitter Lip Topper. Quite sticky. That's how it would look on top of the lipsticks. I also have seen YouTubers use this as like a face glitter. So if you were doing some costume makeup or like a really cute Christmas get up. Number 19 is quite a big door. Oh my word, I've heard about this. The Essence Makeup Remover Towel. It is super soft. I really cannot wait to try this. Number 20. Oh no, we're already on door number 20. Oh no. Okay, here's door number 20. Same size as a nail polish door. Oh, I was right. Another nail polish. This has also got the cute little reindeer design on it, and it's this beautiful bright red. Number 21 is here. This is a really big door. wish a day notebook. Oh my word. Oh my word, this is so beautiful. Look, it's got like blank pages. Life is not about the to-dos, it's about the ta-das. Life is made of stardust and other magical things. A beautiful touch. And again, if this isn't your kind of thing, you can re-gift these 3 items to someone's Christmas stocking for sure. Door number 22 is up here. This is, what is this? Essence Mini Highlighter Stick. Oh, I just love seeing these minis because honestly, we don't get the minis. It's got this really beautiful highlight. So gorgeous. Number 23 is in the door here again. Oh my word. This is the Essence Body Jewelry Tattoos. This beautiful wreath and presents, and there's ho ho ho. I'm gonna wear all of these. Those are going on my body. Oh no, we're on the last door, guys. 4. It says, hey beauty, we wish you a wonderful Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. A beautiful mini highlighter brush. This is stunning. So gorgeous. Oh my word. Love it. That was our whole calendar. Every single door open. 24 beautiful little gifts. All for us. So stunning. And spoiler alert, but on the back of the box it does actually have all the items that are inside here. I mean, just don't look at the back of the box if you truly want to be surprised about what's in here, but I suppose you've already watched this video as well, so spoilers are kind of what you like to do to yourself. There were 8 mini sizes in this advent calendar, and then we also got a lot of full sizes. So we got this full size, and we got this full size, and obviously this is full size, but another mini that I'm obsessed with is this one. I'm obsessed with this mini. Okay, that's just the most amazing mini ever. We obviously got this in full size, and we also got this in full size. There were some filler products that we can consider non-beauty products, and the filler products were these types of things: the little notebook, the hair ties, the bracelet, Christmas tags, which is not too bad, I suppose. There were some body sort of things that were non-makeup items, which were these. And then we also got some tools, which a person always appreciates. We got some tools, and obviously we got our makeup brushes, so those will also be considered tools. The actual makeup product was a mascara and an eyeliner, an eyebrow product, so the eyes are sorted. We do have our highlighter stick, so our cheeks are done. We just didn't get any actual blush. As far as lips go, we've got lots of options for lips. 2 mini lipsticks, and then obviously the color changing lip balm, and then obviously we've got our 3 nail polishes, so our nails will be sorted. We didn't get entirely a full face. Our eyes are sorted, our lips are sorted, the top of our cheeks are sorted, and the mattifyingness, powdery of the face is sorted. So all we didn't get was a blush or a bronzer or along those lines. We obviously didn't get a foundation either, because I think that would just make the whole calendar a bit unaffordable. I don't know. We also got a really nice surprise in terms of this little makeup remover cloth. Overall, I put together a total that I think this calendar is probably worth, based on the product's prices on Takealot. And because of the minis being a mini and we don't get those here, I priced it with the full sizes, and then I just minus 30% to get sort of the price of a mini. My breakdown comes to 1,100 Rand, and I only paid for 99. If we minus these filler products and just include the makeup products, the nail products, and the tooling product, it is worth about 970 Rand. So either way, it's almost double the value of what you're paying for it. I'm really happy with everything that came in the box. Overall, my score for this advent calendar, being that this is the only beauty advent calendar I've ever had, and it being my first, and I just think it's amazing, and I had so much fun unboxing it because it was my first, and because I probably cannot afford to buy any of the others, and because I'm not famous enough to get them for free, I'm going to give this advent calendar a 4.5 out of 5. I think I just have to deduct a half a star because we didn't get a blush product or a bronzing product, and I feel like if this advent calendar had given me a full face, I think I would have given it a 5 out of 5, because that's what I wanted from this advent calendar going into it. I wanted a full face. So maybe for next year, if anyone happens to be watching this that might just be like, let's take some advice from some random person who has literally no one following her, I would say please give us everything that you gave us now and just leave out the filler products like the hair ties and this, and replace this with the blush and this with the bronzer, and that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below and switch on your little notifications bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye!